All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's commonly confused words. So complete, complete, and finish, finish. Complete and finish. So complete, complete. So when the next stage in something is done. So we go from like, oops, no, here, complete, the next thing, complete, next thing, complete, next thing, complete. I need to complete each video. Each lesson needs to be completed. Complete each part. Can you complete each part? Wow. I need to complete this task. I will complete this chapter soon. I will complete the chapter soon. This document will be completed soon. Nice. So complete individual parts. But finish is the whole thing. When something is at 100% and now over. Whew! We finished the job. I've completed each chapter and now finished the book. Each chapter is complete and now the book is finished. I've completed all the videos and now the lessons are finished. Yeah, how cool is that? The recordings will never finish, will never end. I will always have more videos to record. So it will never finish. It will go on forever, never be 100% completed. It will never be 100% finished. Never 100% complete. It just won't be. It continues forever and ever. Can't be completed. Can't be finished. Yeah. How cool is that? So complete talks about the individual points and steps. Each part needs to be completed. But then the whole thing is finished. Yeah, each part needs to be completed. So then the whole can be finished. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So, can you use complete and finish in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel, more videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram, as well as on Udemy by searching for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.